In this video, we'll talk about what liquor liability insurance is, a little bit about what it covers, what types of businesses it's for, and we're going to talk about how to get it. So who's it for? Bars, restaurants, retail liquor stores, convenience stores, nightclubs, banquet halls, wholesale distributors, caterers, and bartenders. So if you're in the business of selling alcohol, it's pretty much for you. Those were the obvious. But did you know that church organizations and grocery stores may also need liquor liability insurance? Restaurant owners are responsible for the safety of their employees and patrons, but with the sale of alcohol comes risks. Sometimes the consumption of alcohol goes a little bit too far and people become inebriated. Careless behavior may begin to take shape. Sometimes people get into altercations. VIP. Normally, when people hear the acronym VIP, they think of something good or favorable. It usually means very important person. But in your industry, VIP may mean visibly intoxicated patron, which exposes your establishment to additional risks. 43 states and the District of Columbia have statutes created by court decisions that hold liquor servers liable for the damage a drunk driver causes. A customer or someone injured by your customer may file suit against your business. When this happens, there's going to be a cost to defend your business in court. These costs can be enough to make an unprotected business cease operations. Liquor liability insurance helps to protect a business in the event that an intoxicated person causes bodily injury or property damage as a result of being served liquor by that business. For a company protected with the proper coverage in place, your liquor liability insurance is going to cover your defense costs. There would also be some other protections either included or you can add them into your policy. For example, assault and battery. So you definitely want to protect your business. So how do you do that? Well, when you contact your insurance agent, there are going to be some details asked about your business, so you may want to have this information readily available to make sure that they get you set up with the proper coverage. Some things that your agent may ask you. Number one, do you have a valid liquor license, or are you in the process of obtaining one? That's usually a question that's going to come up in the conversation. So for New York specifically, they're going to require proof of citizenship, photo ID, menu, certificate of authority, certificate of occupancy, and they're also going to require that you have some type of proof of workers' compensation. And we can help you with the workers' compensation part. Number two, what type of security do you have in place? Do you have a security guard or a bouncer on site, someone that can defuse a bad situation before it escalates? Do you have surveillance cameras? If so, are they operational or in good working condition? Do you offer or allow BYOB? Do you have a band or a DJ? If so, how many nights or days of the week are they there? What are the prices of the drinks you serve? Are they pretty expensive or do you offer deeply discounted drink specials? What are your hours of operation? What's the latest hour that you allow drinks to be sold? They're going to have some questions about your revenue. How many years have you been in the business? Did you have any fines or citations for violations in the past? And they're probably going to ask you if you had any claims in the past. And if so, what types of claims? That's a quick overview. The questions can get a bit more detailed in regards to your current and expected sales and the types of alcohol that you serve. Now that you have an idea of what you may need to get started, The next step is for you to get your business protected. If you need to learn more about what may be required for your specific business, or if you want to go ahead and get started with covering your business, you can give us a call at 908-777-0537.